Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Volvo Christian, and welcome to yet another video starring the redesigned XC90. This XC90 here are the bright exterior theme. It's finished off in a bright dusk metallic, and we have the gorgeous Nordico cardamom upholstery. Beautiful spec. I have just made a video with the exterior, interior and under the skin presentation. If you haven't seen that, just upload it. It's like 2 or 3 days before this one. In this video I'm going to take my top 3 things with the XC90. And then afterwards we will take the bad and the ugly. So that will be good, bad and ugly. This is as I said, the redesigned XC90. Just got my facelift now in 2024. The XC90 history started back in 2014. They gave us a teaser picture in May 2014, and then we got the full presentation in August. We also saw a light facelift in 2019, but this is the biggest facelift so far, where they have made fundamental changes to exterior, interior and under the skin. But it's still an XC90 that I hold close to my heart. So in this video, I'm going to take the top 3 good things with the current, this XC90 here. At first, I want to just start to give a huge thanks to Volvo Car Norway for giving me the invite to this event. I'm super grateful and really appreciate that they granted me access to this car before the launch, so I can make this video for you. Also a huge thanks to all my followers on Instagram and YouTube, that everyone that interacts with me and comments on my video and presses the subscribe button. So huge thanks to each and every one. But now let's get down to it. What are the best things about the XC90? And more specifically, this XC90. The first point are actually something that has been current ever since 2014, and that is the safety. This is one of the safest cars on the road. It has actually won an award in USA, the IIHS insurance. I can write it under, I can't remember the name just on top of my head, but this one, the top safety pick plus. So this is the safest car on the road, one of the safest cars. And safety is something that I hold close to my heart. And that is also why I have so much love for Volvo. They are so committed to make safe cars. And this is no exception. We have all the radars and sensors and camera technology to make us feel safe, both as a driver and for also other trafficants, other cars, pedestrians, bicycles. Safety. So safety are still my number one. I have to include that. And then more specifically, the car we have in front of us. One of the drawbacks for me with the EX90 are that it's only available in one trim option. You take one taste and that's it. That's all you get. Same with the EX40 and XC40 electric and the C40 or renamed EC40. It's just one style. Finish. Nothing else. But luckily, Volvo with the XC90 still offers 2 different trim levels or exterior themes. Previously we had inscription and redesign. This is the bright exterior, and we also have a dark exterior. And I'm so glad that Volvo didn't discontinue these 2 themes. I love to be able to separate it, because we're not the same, everyone. We have different tastes and different preferences. So I think it's good that we have one of the classy and stylish and elegant look and vibe. And if you want to go more sporty, then you go for the dark version. I'm probably more a dark person myself, and I haven't seen pictures of the dark version, at least not yet, the 20th of August. But if I get any pictures from Volvo cars before I have to upload this video, I will just drop them over here. I haven't seen any of them. But that is something that I appreciate, 2 different styles, so you can pick your own style. And I hope Volvo will take this with them also on the electric lineup, especially with the ES90 and EX60, and also the next facelift. Just let us get 2 different styles, one may be classy and one may be sporty. I just love to have that option. So that is the first 2, safety and the exterior theme of the car. And the last part and the best part, you always save the best for last. That is the interior. This is still unbeatable. They made maybe small changes, but they have a huge impact. I just love this new textured material we have here on the dash. And I just love this new Nordico cardamom with this quilted material. And we still have the 90 luxury. And also one of the things I complain about with the EX90, the sun visors are plastic in the EX90, but here we still have the fabric wrapped. And there's something about everything you touch, everything, the tactical feeling, this feels so good. This feels premium. So the interior is still undefeated. I just love this new decor inlays, the Bowers Wilkins grid. So the interior for me, and it's here you spend a lot of time. And another thing I didn't mention in the walk around, because one of the things that Volvo are focused on are the cabin air. And this new facelift has an updated purification system. So it will purify more air and better. For it's a state-of-the-art purification system. So you get a more healthy cabin air. And I'm also glad if I can cheat and put in one extra. I'm so glad that we still have a panoramic roof. You can open and close, and if the sun blind, the panoramic blind are functional. Okay, this is my number 4. The top 4 things. Watch and learn EX90. Electric adjustable panoramic roof cover. I can't understand why they went manual in the EX90. Okay, so this is my top 4. Safety, exterior theme, interior, and we still have this panoramic roof situation. I think that is my top 3, the good things with this new XC90. That was my top 3, or maybe top 4 things about this new redesigned XC90. It's going to be hard to follow up the next video with the bad and the ugly, because but you have to check the next video if I can find something bad and ugly to say about this new XC90. But that was it for the good things with the XC90. Do you agree with me? Do you have other things that you cherish with the XC90, such as the 7-seat capabilities, the plug-in hybrid? What is your top 3 things with the XC90? I would love to hear your thoughts about this topic. So that's it for this short little video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I see you in the next one. And as always, I appreciate every like, comment, and for new viewers, if you would consider subscribing to my channel. So that's it for this time. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.